Assalamu alaikum girls. Today inshallah we are going to start the new topic which is meiosis. I hope you are done with mitosis. You completely understand the steps of mitosis. The significance is not a part of your syllabus, but we'll do it inshallah later. Okay. First, we need to cope up with this topic which is meiosis. It is the process by first remember the definition whenever they ask you steps of meiosis in long answer. I'm talking about the long answers. Whenever they ask you about meiosis or mitosis, first you have to write the definition, then you move towards whatever they are asking. If they are asking steps, you write it down. If they are asking differences, write it down. If they are asking about diagrams, write it down. If they are asking about complete cycle, anything, difference, variation, whatever they are asking, first write the definition of meiosis if they are asking about meiosis, then the definition of, if they are asking about mitosis, if the question is related to mitosis, then write the definition of mitosis. Meiosis is the process by which one diploid. So, okay, one more thing. You don't know what is diploid and haploid. See, for now, just understand this, that all the cells in the body which are somatic, I have explained the word somatic very in depth, so you already know what is somatic. Somatic are all the cells. So first you have to go through a short revision to know about what is diploid and what is haploid. I have taught you about somatic cells and the gametes. Remember the gametes. See here, they are again saying that the diploid cells are all those cells which are the cells of the body. And what are the cells of the body? See, they say all body cells are diploid other than gametes. But in humans, gametes are haploid. Actually, this is this all story of this topic of meiosis and mitosis, that the story of diploid and haploid will be repeated. Please, first of all, um, please clear your concept about haploid, diploid, somatic, germ cells, somatic, gametes. So first of all, the sperm and gametes are known as the sperm and ova. See, gametes are sperms and ova. Sperm is from the male, and ova are derived, like they are extracted. These are the reproductive cells of the female. Okay, so gametes are also known as germ cells. Like if you if you see written germ cell somewhere, it means that they are talking about gametes. Okay, now the gametes are the haploid. Actually, what is haploid? They say N. See here, they say N is haploid and diploid is 2N. The nuclear material in all the body cells is present in which form? In this diploid form. Why? Because in our body the number of chromosomes is 46. This is 46. This is about, see, diploid, all the cells of the body are diploid, and we call them what? Somatic cells. So please write down, please copy this, please write down the differences, please copy this, make notes of this haploid versus diploid, because this is very important. Not in this year, always you will always get confused if you don't understand what is haploid, what is diploid, what are somatic cells, and what are germ cells. I continuously repeat these words so that you get familiar with these words. Okay, now what are body cells? Body cells, the proper terminology is somatic cells. We call the body cells as somatic cells. So all the body cells are somatic cells, but the gametes, these gametes, they are not somatic. These are not somatic. Why? Because they are involved in meiosis. Why? Because they are related to reproduction, and because they are gametes. That is why they are haploid. Gametes are haploid. All the cells in your body are diploid. D means D means di. Di means two. Di means double. See here. Diploid means 2n. The cells in your body, the cells in your hair, the cells in your eyes, your organs, your skin, your hair, your bones, all these cells are diploid. All these cells are diploid. But only those cells which are present in the sperm, which are present in the ovum. Ovum is the singular of um, ova. Ova means plural. Ovum is singular, and ova and ovum both means eggs. Okay, so these are the haploid. These are haploid, and they are n. N means the nuclear material here is like 1. It's half of diploid. It means half of 2 is 1. So we don't write 1 here, we just write n. Diploid means diploid means 2n. The nuclear material is double here. You can see with the help of the chromosomes, actually these are the same chromosomes. Remember, we used to draw like this. This was the centromere and this was the chromosome. So we used to draw like this. This is the same diploid chromosome, and this is the haploid chromosome. If you get confused, I'm drawing it here so that you don't get confused. This is a haploid and this is the diploid. Okay, now first point is, first we'll go to the diploid. Two sets of chromosomes. See here, two sets of chromosomes are there. Two sets of this pink color, two purple, two yellow. This is just an example. This is nothing like this in your body, no colors. In humans, 2n is equal to 46. The normal chromosome number of humans is 46. All the cells of your body have 46 chromosomes in pairs. Okay, in now see, this diploid is present in the form of pairs. In humans, all body cells other than gametes are diploid. Only gametes are haploid. Other than the gametes, or are all of the cells are diploid. Now haploid, one set of chromosome is there. Human, if you half if you convert 46 into half divided by 2, you get 23. So 23 number of chromosomes in haploid cells. Where in the reproductive organs, the sperms and the eggs are what? Haploid. Now we'll go into some other introduction. Actually, see, this is the process of meiosis. What happens in meiosis is, this is the diploid. This was the diploid cell. Understand? Then what happens? They divide and then they separate. So they become haploid. These all cells are gametes. They are only present in the reproductive organs. Gametes. This is another picture which is showing the mitosis and meiosis. What happens in case of mitosis and what happens in case of meiosis. See, in case of mitosis, actually mitosis is just like asexual division, in which sexual organs are not involved. So ploidy, you know what is ploidy? Haploid and diploid are together known as ploidy. So they are not haploid. They are not haploid. So only the process is simple. They are just diploid. They start with 2n diploid. They are diploid when the cycle starts. They are diploid when the cycle ends. Again, meiosis. They start when they are diploid, but they end when they are haploid. One more thing, whenever you get a wound in your body, what happens is that it gets healed. We all know that. How it gets healed? It gets healed with the process of mitosis. Why? Because see, one cell divides into two, and new cells are produced, and the older cells are replaced with the help of with newer cells.